it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a burpee broad jump. So this is a two-parter. When we do our burpee, I'm going to show you the full variation. There are different modifications, so watch my video on burpees to see all the different modifications. We are going to jump back all the way down to the floor. We're going to push ourselves up, jump our feet back under. Rather than jumping up, we're going to jump out into a broad jump. When we do that broad jump, we want to bend at our hips, bend at our knees, use our arms to create momentum. We've got our hamstrings loaded in this position, and then we're going to jump out as far as we can. Just make sure that you land heel toe. If you have room to keep going forward, you can keep going forward. If you need to kind of walk backwards, do your next one. You could even burpee, broad jump, turn around, burpee, broad jump, back in the other direction. So if you need more ways to do cardio at home, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.